What's going on, guys? It's the Wolf of Seven Miracles. How y'all doing, my friends? I got a little bit slightly different scenario tonight. It's still going to be good though. See what we have here. Today we have a new friend. This is one of my favorites, by the way. New friend, and we're going to see how much damage it will do to this. The disc in it is not good. I have a burnt copy of it, so I'll do maybe Justin Bieber next time, but let's get up and let's see what we can do to this. Alrighty, guys, let us look at the remains. There's a piece of the disc. There's some more disc. Not too bad of a review for today, so I guess until next time, peace.